Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by stopping flow and releasing pressure so you can work safely. Once done, visually and by feel find the exact damage, puncture, split, or a failing joint and mark the spot. Make sure to clear surrounding debris and grab the tools you need. A tubing cutter, emery cloth, replacement ferrule or compression sleeve, hose clamp, and tightening wrench. You're beginning the repair now. Why? Because a precise inspection tells you whether to patch, replace a section, or redo the fitting. You'll cut out the damaged segment with a clean, square cut about 1/2 inch beyond the affected area to give solid material to work with. Once cut, deburr and clean the ends with emery cloth until smooth. This prevents leaks by ensuring a full seal. Next, slide the ferrule or compression sleeve onto the hose, insert the hose fully into the replacement fitting or nipple, and position the ferrule correctly. Tighten progressively. Alternate sides. If using a 2-bolt fitting, you now secure the fitting to the recommended torque. If unknown, hand tight plus 1/4 turn works as a cautious rule. Avoid over-torquing, which deforms metal. Restore pressure slowly while watching the repair for any drips or seepage for 5 to 10 minutes. If you see even a small leak, stop, relieve pressure, and check seating. Reseat the ferrule or replace the ferrule and rediton. If leaks persist after reseating, cut out a longer section and repeat with a fresh ferrule or replace the entire hose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.